Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you what is the best way how you can set up your settings in Wave apps. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Wave, you just want to simply click here on settings on the bottom left, and right here you're going to see users, the user management. Then you have the sales and you're going to see the invoice customization. So you're just going to click on it, and this is the first thing I recommend for you to do. You just easily change the template if you want to, from classic, modern, and the third one. Or you can simply change also your company logo. And then you can also change the color of it. Choose an accent color to use in the invoice. You can do it too. When you would go to the further, you're gonna see the invoice settings here. So you're gonna see the default payment terms, due within 15 days, 30, 45, 60, default title, invoice, subheading, footer, notes and terms. This is really great to have automated things so you don't have to fill it by yourself and choose always the due within 30 days. You just set it one time and you're good to go. Then you're gonna have like reminder settings. Wave will follow up on overdue invoices by sending gentle reminders to your customers. Remind customers 3, 7, and 14 days after due date. Then you're gonna see the estimate settings here. Again, default footer, subheading, and then you're gonna see the invoice column settings. What you want to actually have. So for items, it can be services. Let's say that I only sell services. I would just click here, services. Units, I can have hours or other. Price, I can have it as a rate. And a month, I can have it as other or just a month. Now, are you gonna see choose which columns on your invoices to hide? So let's say that you don't want to have description on your invoice, you can simply hide it. You can also hide quantity, price, amount, and item. So customizing your invoice is really important for Wave app and to actually have automated processes. So then we're gonna see payments here. And within the payments, you will be able to turn on the payments and get paid for your invoices. So I don't know what to share more about this. Then you're gonna see the purchases and receipts. And you're gonna have options to upload through email and capture details automatically read and capture receipt details after taking a photo, uploading or sending an email. So just leave it like it is. Then you're gonna see the dates and currency. And now again, you can choose the fiscal year end. Then you're gonna see sales taxes. And you can simply come here and create a sales tax. Tax name, abbreviation, description. Then you simply add a tax number and tax rate. So this is how you can work with a sales tax. You just add it based on yourself, what you want to have here. So tax name, abbreviation, description, tax number, tax rate. Then you're gonna see also the banking payouts. Again, same thing, you would come here to the payments and edit that. When I go further, I can go to the payroll and business profile. So again, I can change the business legal name, federal employer ID number, work address, mailing address if it's the same as a work address. If it's not, change it. Business type, I'm sole, but you just choose the corporation. Established year, when you were established. Business description, business website, and have you paid any employees this year? You select the option. So this is how you can simply edit your business profile. Then you're gonna have like company signature, name, home address, job title, date of birth, phone number, funding account. Again, add the banks to your account you want to use to fund your payroll. Tax payments from this funding account are currently only available in Arizona and multiple states here. When we go further, we're gonna see also tax profile here. And now payroll setup for employees, for business, that you can also set up the schedule for your business. So set schedule, for example, right here, and how more you want to set up the payroll. So, but I'm going to make a different tutorial on payroll if you want to in Wave. So let me down below in the comments if you want to see it too. You will find it down below in the description. And to go further, go to settings. And now you can simply go to the company signature, billing, and it's in right here. But what I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm going to set up the payroll in the next video of how you can add an employee, how you can add a contractor, how you can add details to your business, pay schedule, company signature, funding account, etc. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in comments. Using Wave is pretty effective, and in my opinion, Wave is good damn accounting software. You should find the link down below in the description or just on the end of the video on the info tab. So that's something where you would find it. Also, check out my other videos, and if you find this video useful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really happy for it. Now also, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.